x's. Okay. The circle touches some x's. What will be the equation of the circle? So let's start with, I will make 3 cases so that this concept becomes very easy. Y-axis, and the last one is both x's. Okay. So what do I mean by circle touches x-axis? Right. Touches, there's a fine difference between touches and passes through. Okay. What do we mean by touches? That if this is an x-axis, the circle just touches the x-axis. And if we say the circle passes through the x-axis, this will cut it into 2 points. So this will cut this axis in 2 points. While if I am saying that the circle touches x-axis, this will meet the axis at just 1 point. Understood? So this is the basic concept behind this. So let's assume that this is a circle. Now we know that if this point is h comma k, if the center of this circle is h comma k, can you tell me what will be this distance? If the center of this circle is h comma k, now this distance will be the y coordinate. The y coordinate of this center. This distance will be the y coordinate of the center. Why will be this y coordinate? Because it is touching the x-axis. Now the distance above the x-axis will give you the radius. The distance of the center above the x-axis will give you the radius. Therefore, the radius in this case will become k. So we can say that the equation of this circle will become x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to k square. Right? So this is the condition if the circle touches the x-axis. Okay. And if it touches the y-axis, if it is touching the y-axis, what will happen is the abscissa of the center, because this will be the abscissa of the center, the abscissa of the center will become the radius. So here the radius will be equal to h. If the center is h comma k, we know that this distance is h. So this distance will be equal to the radius. So the equation will become x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to h square. So this is the condition if the circle touches the y-axis. Now if the circle touches both the axes, if the circle is touching both the axes, first thing we have to say is the value of abscissa and ordinate will be same. So this thing will be h comma h. Why is this coming out to be h comma h? Because we know that the center will lie at the same distance from the y-axis as its distance from the x-axis. So the distance from the x-axis and y-axis of the center will always be same. And this distance will be constant. Let's say I am assuming this distance is equal to h comma h, and x minus h whole square plus y minus h whole square is equal to h square. So this will be the equation of the circle if the circle is touching both the axes. So now we have derived that